Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss lesson 3 decimals. Lesson 3 decimals. First we will discuss what is decimal. A number expressed in decimal forms are called decimals. Now students, I am going to discuss the decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal gives the number of decimal places. Next one is like decimal. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Example, these are the examples of like decimals. After decimal 1 2, after decimal here also 1 2, after decimal 1 2, means in each place after decimal 2 digits are there. This type of decimal is called like decimal. The next one is unlike decimals. Decimals having the different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, here 3.12, the number of digits in decimal is 2, 7.31, and here 3, means after decimal 1 2 3 digits, means in each condition the number of digits in decimal are different. This type of decimal is called unlike decimals. Now students, we will discuss unlike decimal into like decimal. Suppose two decimals we have 3.79 and another one is 4.2, means in decimal 1 2 2 digits here, and in 4.2 only 1 digit is here. How we will make both the unlike decimals into like? If we will put 0 here, then after decimal 1 2 and here also 1 2, now unlike will be converted into like. Now converting the decimal into fractions. Suppose this one is 0.5, this one is decimal. How we will convert it into fraction? Means without any dot or decimal, we will write all the digits. Here only 5 is here, and upon on the place of dot we will put 1. And how many digits in decimal? We have to put 0. If it will be 5 2, then you have to write 2 0. Now this one is the fraction of this. If you will do the cut short, 5 1 5 2 means 1 upon 2. 0.5 means 1 upon 2. This one is in decimal and this one is in the fractional form. One more, 0.24. Now 24 here we will write, and decimal means 1, and how many digits? 1 2, so 2 0 we will put here. Now do the cut short. 2, it will become 12, and by 2 it will become 50. By 2 this one is 6 and this one is 25. Now it is non-reducible, so we can write 6 upon 25, means 0.24 equal to 6 upon 25. This one in decimal form and this one is fractional form. Now we will discuss the fraction into decimal. Suppose this one is 27 upon 4. Then how we will convert 27 upon 4 into the decimal form? 27 upon 4 means 27 divided by 4. So 4 6 24 Now remainder is 3 and there is nothing here. So we will put decimal here. Then one by one step we can take 1 0. 4 7 28. Now it is 2. Once again same condition, nothing here, but already we kept decimal, so once again we will take 0. 4 5. Now 20. So 27 upon 4 equal to 6.27. This one is the answer. This is the method to convert the fraction into decimal. One more examples we will discuss. 2 5 upon 8 means 21 upon 8. Same procedure we have to follow in this method. 21 divided by 8. 2 16. Now remainder is 5. No digits here, so put decimal and put 0 here. 6. This one is 48. Now 2. Once again take 0. 2 16. Then 4. Once again take 0. 5. Then 40. Now remainder is 0. So 2 5 upon 8 means 21 upon 8, and in decimal it is 2.625. Now we will discuss exercise 3a. Convert each of the following into fraction in simplest form. First one is 0.8 or 0.8. Second one is 0.75 or 0.75. Now one by one we will do. 0.8 means 8 upon 10. 2 4 2 5 4 upon 5. The second one 0.75 means 75 upon 1 and 2 digits, so 20 here. Sorry, not decimal here. This one is 100. Okay. Then 25 3 and 25 4. So it means 3 upon 4. In this way we can do remaining questions of question number 1 also. Question number 2. Convert each of the following as the mixed fractions. 5.6 12.25. 5.6 means 56 upon 10 by 2, it is 28 by 2. This one is 5. Then 5 3 upon 5. One more question I will solve from this question. 12.25 means 12 to 5 upon 1, then 2 zeros, so 2 digits in decimal, so 100 by 5. This one by 5. 20 by 5. 49 by 5. 4. 49 upon 4 means 49 upon 4 means 12 1 upon 4 answer. In this way we can solve all the parts of question number 2. Now if we will discuss question number 4 or 3. 47 upon 10, one digit we have to take in decimal, means it will become 4.7. Here 2 0, so it will become 1.56. In this way we can solve all these questions. Then question number 4, convert each of the following into like decimal. Like decimal means here 5.6, sorry 6.5, 16.03, 0.247, 119.4. means here 1 digit in decimal, 2, 3 and 1, means maximum is 3. So in each condition we will convert 3 places in decimal. So here we have to put 2 0, here 1 0 in last, and here 2 0 in last. Then it will become the like decimals. Now we will discuss question number 6. Arrange the following decimals in ascending order. First I am going to do, and in that way you can do all the questions in 6 and 7 also, because in 6 and 7 only one difference. First one is ascending and second one is means seventh one is descending. So first one I am going to do 4.6, 7.4, 4.58, 7.32 and 4.06. Now before decimal means whole numbers, which one is greater? 4, 7, 4, 7, means 4, 4 and 4. These all 4 are always smaller than the 7. So first we will discuss this one and this one. In decimal, 10th place is 4, and in here 10th place is 3. Clear? Means this one will be the highest one, and this one is the second highest. Now we will discuss the smaller digits, 4.6, 4.58 and 4.06. 4, 4, 4. Everywhere is 4. Now the smallest one we will discuss in decimal, 6, 5 and 0. Definitely 0 is smallest, and then 5 and then 6. So what? First, second, third, fourth and fifth. How we will write? 4.06, 4.58, 4.6, 7.32 and the highest one is 7.4. In this way we will write, this one is ascending order. If we will write in this way, it will become descending order. In this way you can solve all the questions. If you will feel difficulty, then you have to send the question number and exercise number to my WhatsApp number. I will solve and send to your personal WhatsApp number. So children, this is enough for this video. All the best. Once again we will meet in the next video. All the best children.